Hey Dad, can we have some Doritos?
Sorry guys, I don't think I can reach that far.
Please?
I guess I'll have to eat them all myself. Oh man, I'm getting pulled over.
Mom, Dad's gonna be a little late.
Well, after a 2-week-long closure, all lanes of Route 202 fully reopened today in King of Prussia. Crews finished repairs on a sinkhole that formed near Henderson Road and Solon Boulevard. It's the
We all love the internet. With its many streaming services, social medias, and dark web auctioning rooms, there's something here for everyone. But with all the problems of the world today, region-locked shows, criminals trying to see your browser history, or rogue AIs trying to invade your social media accounts, there's no better time to invest in a VPN to stay safe. So, choose us! Clone VPN is the VPN of all time. We ensure that your data is safeguarded and protected, and with our Disappear Reappear feature, you and your favorite digital influencers could suddenly be unreachable and perhaps have a slight but unnoticeable change in behavior or content. We're the real deal. Just take a look at all of our wonderful partners. Clone VPN. See more on our website at clonevpn.com. Clone VPN. Double the services, double the safety, double.
The following message is requested by the Federal Communications Commission. At 3 a.m. about a VPN service has been detected and is considered unsafe. At this time, remove Clone VPN from your devices. To remove this VPN from your devices, first, on iPhone and Android, go to your settings and search for uninstall apps in your settings. Find for Clone VPN and uninstall it. On Windows Vista or above, go to your Start menu. Make sure you are in search and either type uninstall a program or change or remove a program, and then find Clone VPN and follow uninstall instructions. Do not install Clone VPN or reinstall it. The Federal Communications Commission releases these warnings to keep your computer and other devices such as phones, tablets and smart TVs safe. A group of YouTubers has been behind this. Avoid these YouTubers. These YouTubers are shown on screen. Safer alternative options are Surfshark and NordVPN.